Hello students, welcome to a new session. In the last class, we learned about the protest of Thomas Smith and John Carlos during the medal ceremony of 200 race of Mexican Olympics that held in 1968. We also learned about some important terms like Black Power, Civil Rights Movement, African Americans, etc. Today we want to learn some new topics, that is, differences, similarities, and divisions. Why we learn these topics? What was the aim of these topics? Let us check. The first aim is to learn the origin of social divisions, how it's happened, and what was the reason behind the origin of social divisions. And the second aim is to learn overlapping social differences and cross-cutting social differences. So all these important things we will discuss in this session. Let's start. Each and every society had differences, similarities and divisions, but it was different on the basis of the nature of that society. It means the differences and the similarities was not common in each and every society. When we take examples from our previous chapter, that is the condition of Belgium and Sri Lanka, the condition of both countries was different. In Belgium, the social division was based on language because the people speak different types of language in Belgium. But the condition of Sri Lanka was different. In Sri Lanka, the social division was based on two factors. They are religion, at the same time linguistic. That's why I said that the social divisions was not common in all countries. The social divisions is mainly depend on the basis of society. So that the social division is mainly based on the society and its nature. The next question we want to discuss that how the social difference originate. The social difference originate on the basis of accidental birth because we cannot able to choose our community. We belong to a particular community because of accidental birth. So the complexion, physical abilities and disabilities, etc., all these factors are based on accidental birth. So one of the important factor about the origin of social division is the accidental birth. But all type of social divisions are not based on the accidental birth. For example, or education, or belief, or religion, all these are based on our choice. But all these social differences leads to social divisions. Did all social differences leads to social division? What was your answer? Yes or no? No. Because even though the social differences create social divisions, sometimes it create unity among people. For example, Carlos, Smith and Norman were different on the basis of origin and nationality, but they were united on the basis of their profession. Both of them are athletes. They stood against racial discrimination. When we take another example, the people belonging to same religion or community was different on the basis of their caste and sect. We can take different types of examples. Another example, the people in a same family do not maintain close relation to each other because of their financial status. So that we have different identities in different contexts. Next, we are going to discuss about overlapping and cross-cutting. These two terms are closely related with social differences. What is overlapping in what is what is overlapping social differences? It is a mixture of one or more social differences caused by one main difference. What was the result of overlapping social differences? People began to think that they belonged to a separate community. For example, the differences between the black and whites create social differences in United States because blacks were poor and homeless when compared to whites. So this create social differences in United States. What was the condition of India? In India, the Dalit face discrimination. So this create social differences in India.